Thank you guys for all the views from my last video. If you have not checked out my top 10 spring perfumes, be sure to click down below. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can see what I'll be rocking this spring. This perfume, she deserves to have a review all by herself. This is Tiffany by Tiffany Co. This fragrance was launched in 2017 as Tiffany's second fragrance. The box is very, very nice, and this is the 1.7 ounce. Voila! She comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. They spared no expense on this packaging. I am here for this. You can tell they put a lot into this, and I'm loving it. At first sight, this bottle is shaped like a diamond, and this is very, very heavy. This is a very expensive quality bottle. You have Tiffany Co. around the rim, and it's their signature colors. And also on the cap, it has a stamp that says Tiffany Co. From what I've been reading, you guys, this is actual sterling silver. So they put a little bit of oomph onto their perfume. It makes me feel like what I spent for this bottle, you're giving me something to justify me spending $100, because this 1.7 ounce bottle was $100. I know that is the going rate for a designer scent. This isn't a niche fragrance, but it's in that price range where, you know, the average for 1.7 ounce is going for $100, and the full size, I believe it is a 3.4, 3.3. That was like $130. I didn't buy the 3.3. I got the 1.7 because with me having so much perfume, that $30 can go on another perfume. I highly doubt that I am going to even get through this whole bottle in a year, but I don't know. You guys, you're just going to have to see. At the top, you have mandarin orange, bergamot, and lemon. In the middle, you have iris, blackcurrant, peach, and rose. And in the base, you have patchouli and musk. This is supposed to be like a citrusy, musky, woody, powdery floral. So I am very interested to see how this is going to dry down. And you guys, I am on the hunt to find a perfume that's very, very similar to my all-time favorite. When I was younger, I loved Egyptian musk. That was a woody, musky scent that was absolutely divine. I'm in the search to try to recapture that memory of how I felt, because I felt like that was the best perfume ever. So I am on the hunt to find something that is very comparable to that scent. It was like a delicate woody musky. It was just a gorgeous fragrance. So I am on the hunt to find me something very similar to that. Now let me tell you guys how I feel about patchouli scents. I'm not a huge fan of patchouli if it's too overpowering. I love like patchouli sweet, and I love like patchouli woody musky. So we'll see how good the patchouli is in this fragrance. At first spray, it's like a very even distribution of spray. The atomizer on this is absolutely wonderful. This opens up with a blast of citrus. I can definitely smell the musk, but it's like a white musk. It's really, really gentle and just airy and a little earthy. Like I am picking up the patchouli, but the patchouli is not bad at all, you guys. It's not overpowering. It's very fresh and inoffensive. It's delicate and just gorgeous. It has that whisper effect. It's like a sweet, sweet white musk. And the rose in this is done very, very well. It's nicely blended out. And this stays very, very close to the skin. If you get too close, you might be hooked. This is one of those type of perfumes that can be worn any time of the year. This is a very appropriate scent to wear every day. I can see this easily becoming someone's signature scent. This is very, very pleasant and easy to wear. It's soft, yet it's powerful. It's like one of those fragrances where someone will come up to you and say, "Excuse me, miss, what are you wearing?" You will get compliments with this. You're a type of person where you like really, really heavy scents. I don't know if this will work for you, but I'm here to say this is definitely going to work for me. This lasted me my whole work shift. I did go a little ham on the spray. You really can't overspray it. The more you spray, the more it will like stick onto you. So you can kind of go ham with this. I don't see you needing to, because a little bit goes a long way with this. But like I said, if you like really, really deep heavy scents, then maybe you might not like this. And this is also very similar to my Bulgari Omnia Crystalline. I really feel this is better than the Omnia Bulgari Crystalline, which that is a very pretty scent, but I am here for Tiffany and Company. I would like to happily welcome Tiffany by Tiffany and Company to the family. I would like to thank all of you guys for tuning into this video, and if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and click down below and hit that subscribe button, and make sure to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload. Thank you and have a beautiful spring day.